Hey, it's Dr. Greg with Align Wellness Center, and I wanted to share with you just a brief conversation that I was having with one of our patients just a few minutes ago. This is Dave, and he's been one of our great patients, and I wanted him to share with us the story he's been going through over the last 6-9 months and over the last 2 weeks. So, Dave, could you share with me briefly a little bit about where you were before and what was going on before we got together?
Sure. Well, for about 2 years, I've been dealing with neck pain, numbness. It's gotten really bad in the past year, 9 months. I came here, I found you guys on Facebook. It seemed like you worried more about the whole person instead of just back adjustments and out the door. And it's been great. Last night was the first night I've had with no numbness, no tingling in my arm. I'm excited to start getting healthy again.
And how long have we been working together?
A week.
A week. And what other things did you try before you came to our office?
Well, MRIs, surgeons, steroids, painkillers, just about everything. Everything short of surgery.
Well, I'm super excited about where we've come in such a short period of time. And I'm even more excited about what's to come for you in the future, because I know that you work hard. What kind of work do you do?
Construction.
Construction. So we've got a busy construction season coming up where you work from sunup to sundown. Is that about right?
Yeah.
All right, so we got to make sure that you're out in the field.
I know, because it's a long day when your back hurts.
And if there were anything that you could tell to someone who might be going through some similar things to you, what would that be?
Come by and check it out, because it's amazing.
Great. And is it okay to share this with everyone, everywhere?
Yes.
Great. Thank you. Y'all, have a great day.